The four forces that rule reality. If the universe were a stage, and everything we know, stars, atoms, galaxies, even you and me, were actors, then behind the curtain, pulling every string, are four invisible forces. They don't have names like gods, but they may as well be, because they govern everything. Let's begin with the strongest, the one that holds reality itself together. 1. The strong nuclear force, the architect of the atom. Deep inside the nucleus of every atom, protons sit, crammed side by side. But wait, aren't protons all positively charged? Shouldn't they repel each other, like two magnets refusing to touch? They should, but they don't. Why? Because something stronger is at work. The strong nuclear force. It acts like cosmic glue, short-ranged but unimaginably powerful. It binds quarks together to form protons and neutrons, then binds those into nuclei. Without it, no atoms, no matter, no stars, no you. It's the strongest force in nature, but oddly, the most hidden. 2. The electromagnetic force, the force of light, electricity, and life. Now zoom out a little. Beyond the atomic core, electrons dance. They orbit the nucleus, held in place by the electromagnetic force. It's the reason why your fingers don't pass through your phone screen, why light travels, why magnets pull, why your brain can think and your heart can beat. It governs electricity, magnetism, chemistry, and almost every interaction in the world you can see. It's powerful. It has infinite range, and it's the reason your body doesn't collapse into a puddle of atoms.
3. The weak nuclear force.
The alchemist of the stars. Not as strong, not as famous, but absolutely vital. The weak nuclear force is responsible for radioactive decay, but more importantly, it transforms particles. Inside the core of the sun, it's the weak force that allows hydrogen to become helium, releasing energy, light, life. Without the weak force, the sun wouldn't shine. And without the sun, Earth would be a frozen rock in the void. It may be weak by name, but it powers every breath you take. 4. Gravity, the silent shaper of the cosmos. The weakest of them all, yet the one we feel the most. Drop a stone, it falls. Planets orbit stars, galaxies swirl, black holes devour light itself. That's gravity. It only attracts. It never repels. It warps space. It bends time. It holds the moon to the earth to the sun to the spiraling dance of the Milky Way. Einstein showed us that gravity isn't just a force. It's the shape of space itself. Together, these four forces are the foundation of all physics. They tell particles how to behave, they built the stars, forged the elements, and shaped the universe over billions of years. An action, from a supernova to a handshake, is just these four forces, whispering their eternal rules. And while scientists have tried to unify them, to find a theory of everything, they still remain distinct, mysterious, majestic. Four forces, one universe, bound by invisible threads woven into the fabric of everything we are.